So starting the test drive in this Tahoe Premier, the 5.3 liter is pretty stout, and I say this all the time. If you're not used to having the 6.2 liter, you're not gonna miss it. The 5.3 has plenty of power. The 6.2 just kind of takes it up a notch. But you get a more fuel efficient engine. And the 5.3 is just solid. You get an all around good V8 for the money. Now I just have it in the normal drive mode now. I'm gonna put it into the sport. And I'm not gonna give it too much, but I'm gonna give it a little something getting on the interstate here. And I should be able to give myself some space and then put my foot down. Here we go. So not bad. So cruise is set here. Pretty good ride quality, even on these 22-inch wheels. This does have magnetic ride control, so just makes the ride that much better. But sound acoustics in the cabin are fantastic. Not really noticing any road noise from these tires. And just very pleasant overall. Now for the money, I do think a little under $79,000, not bad. Wish I had a sunroof, but it's another $1,500 option, I believe. Everything else, heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. I'm pretty pleased with what I'm getting here in this Premier. You get a nice looking vehicle, completely refreshed inside and out. And it just, it holds up. You know, these things tow up to close to 8,000 pounds. Now this one doesn't have four-wheel drive, but if I'm gonna be driving this, I probably won't ever need it. But I like being able to change the drive modes, the wireless charging pad, and just everything else that's included here. You get quite a bit again. But I want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this Tahoe Premier today. I'll leave a link below in the description. And if you're looking to find the best price on something closer to home, click on that second link down below. It takes a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on a new Tahoe or any new vehicle you might be interested in. Now here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, you do get the lifetime powertrain warranty included. So that covers your engine, transmission, transaxles. In case any malfunction were to occur for however long you own the vehicle, which is nice to have that additional warranty. All you have to do is just keep up with the maintenance for the most part. But I mean, all in all, this is something that I could see keeping for the next 15, 20 years. From a reliability standpoint, again, I think these are pretty solid, the transmissions and the engines. The engines have been around for a long time. And again, with the lifetime powertrain warranty offered at this store in particular, that just gives you one more reason to keep it that long. It's just it's a good solid SUV. Now I can't say if, like, I think they're trying to ban gas powered cars in California here in a few years or something like that. So I don't know how much longer that'll hold up places like there, but here in Tennessee, we'll probably still be driving gas guzzlers around. And again, you shouldn't have any issue keeping this for 20, 30 years and having no problems. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevy Tahoe in the Premier trim level.